All right, let me start off by saying I'm not a mechanic. I'm just mechanically inclined and I work on my vehicles. This is for a 91 Toyota Land Cruiser 3FE. And today I'm just going to show you a video of how to test your fuel sending unit. Now, this was badly rusted, had a lot of rust on it. Also, the sensor itself. So that this bracket with the fuel pump, it was like really bad. Um, and I dipped it in my chemical cleaner, which is a biodegradable chemical. It's called Super Heavy Duty Degreaser, and I'll show you it right now. Here it is. This is the container I purchased from Harbor Freight. I'm pretty sure you can find it online or Harbor Freight or maybe Amazon. It is biodegradable, so it's non-harmful to the environment. Wear gloves. Do not use your bare hands. It does sting a little bit. So I bought this from Harbor Freight for my chemical cleaner, and that's what I use to dip my parts in for 24 hours, a little over 24 hours. All right, back to my truck. All right, so right here, I got the fuel sending unit. After cleaning it up, I don't know if it was good, so I wanted to test it out. So this wire here goes to the sensor right here. Okay, this wire here goes to the float. Here's my ohms reading. You're not really testing for anything else but ohms. What you're trying to see is if the float works. If the float works, then the unit should be able to send the information to your gauge. If your gauge is bad, then there's a possibility that the fuel sending unit's working, but your gauge is bad. You have to do further studying to learn how to figure that out, or take it to a mechanic to fix your gauge. Either way, this is it. So right now we're reading 1385. I'm going to move the float up like it's full, and it just shifted to 1271. 1270, 1271. So I'm going to shift it back down, and then there it is. 1281, 1280. So now I'm going to move it up, and there you go. See how it just shifted? Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move the float back down. There it is. It's going back to 1380. So I have a good fuel sending unit. Today is March 25th, 2026. And I have priced this in the last 2 days between $104 and $260. I find it online, and the only place locally I find it here in Phoenix, Arizona, is at the Toyota dealership for $260 plus tax. So yeah, I don't feel like spending that. So I will let you know on a future video if my testing did work. But according to my research online, this is the way I do it, and this is the way I would figure it out. The only reason why I'm putting this video out is because there's not a lot of videos for my 91 Toyota Land Cruiser 3FE online. So I'm hoping that my videos here for this Toyota will help many of you figure out what you're dealing with. Here it is right here, and there it is. Test it, and we're set. Now I will move to my Toyota to show you where the fuel pump is. Here it is. We're in the back of the truck. The fuel pump is right here. I covered it because there's nothing there to seal it. It's underneath this cover right here. It's underneath your seats. I'm currently working on this truck, so it looks dirty. Other than that, that's where it's at. 3 screws hold it in place. Remove it and all that. I spent 4 to 6 hours in 2 days testing out my relays, my fuses, my wires, to see if I had any other issues beside that. And it happened to be was a fuel pump and a fuel sending unit. Well, if you like my video, please like and comment. Let me know if this helped you out or not. Again, I don't do videos. I'm just hoping that this video will help someone out.